Welcome to Workflow Next Gen, your shortcut to smarter work. We explore the best AI tools and productivity hacks to help you save time, automate tasks, and level up your workflow. I don't think people understand just how transformative AI can be. And look, there's a lot of talk, a lot of noise out there about artificial intelligence. You hear it everywhere, from tech blogs to your group chats, and sometimes it feels a bit overwhelming, maybe even a little threatening. Let's be real, AI is coming for your job, but not the way you think. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that aren't here to replace you. They're here to make you unstoppable. These are tools designed to augment your skills, to take the tedious stuff off your plate, and to free you up to do the work that actually matters, the work that requires your unique human touch. We're not talking about some far-off future tech. These are practical, accessible tools that you can start using today to seriously level up your productivity and creativity. I've been testing and integrating a bunch of these into my own workflow, and the impact has been pretty significant. We'll go through each one, what it does best, and how you can leverage it to get ahead. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for tool number 5. I use it daily to save hours, and barely anyone talks about it. It's one of those hidden gems that once you discover it, you wonder how you ever managed without it. So, if you're ready to transform the way you work, to embrace AI as a powerful collaborator rather than a competitor, you're in the right place. This is all about working smarter, not just harder. If you love productivity hacks and the latest AI tools, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. Alright, first up is a tool that's probably the most well-known in the AI space right now, and for good reason, ChatGPT. Now, you've likely heard of it, maybe even played around with it a bit, but I want to talk about how to really integrate it into your daily grind as a serious productivity booster. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for your brain. It's a writer, a brainstormer, a planner, even a tutor, all rolled into one incredibly versatile package. It's not just about asking it silly questions, it's about strategic prompting. The core strength of ChatGPT lies in its ability to understand and generate human-like text. This means you can offload a surprising amount of cognitive work. For instance, let's say you've just read a dense, lengthy industry report. Instead of spending an hour dissecting it, you can feed it to ChatGPT with a prompt like, "Summarize this article in 3 bullet points, focusing on key takeaways for a marketing manager." The speed and accuracy with which it can do this are genuinely game-changing for information processing, but it goes way beyond summarization. I often use it for initial brainstorming. If I have a video idea, say, about sustainable tech, I might prompt it. Generate 5 engaging YouTube video titles about sustainable technology trends in 2024. Or, write 3 tweet hooks for this video idea: the future of personal transport is electric scooters. It's fantastic for breaking through creative blocks or just getting a different perspective on how to frame your content. Planning is another huge area where ChatGPT shines. You can give it a list of your weekly goals, your available time slots, and even your priorities, and ask it to draft a potential schedule. For example, plan my week based on these goals: finish project X proposal, prepare presentation for Friday, research competitor Y, prioritize the proposal. While you'll always need to fine-tune it, having that initial framework laid out saves a ton of mental energy. It's also surprisingly good at helping you learn new things. If you're struggling with a complex concept, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in simple terms or to provide analogies. Explain the concept of blockchain technology like I'm a 10-year-old. This ability to break down information makes it an invaluable learning assistant, helping you get up to speed on new topics quickly without getting bogged down in jargon. The key is to be specific with your prompts. The more context you give ChatGPT, the better the output will be. So, if you're not already using ChatGPT regularly, I highly recommend making it a staple. Next up, let's talk about a tool that has fundamentally changed how I approach video and audio editing, and it's called Descript. If you create any kind of spoken content podcasts, video tutorials, interviews, even internal company comms, this one is a game changer. The headline feature? You can edit video and audio by simply editing the transcribed text. It's like Google Docs for media, and it's incredibly intuitive. For years, traditional video editing software, while powerful, has had a steep learning curve. Timelines, tracks, complex interfaces. It can be intimidating if you're not a dedicated video editor. Descript throws a lot of that complexity out the window. When you import your media, it automatically transcribes it, and that transcript becomes your editing interface. Want to cut a section? Just highlight the text and hit delete. The corresponding video and audio are instantly removed. This is revolutionary for a few reasons. First, it makes editing incredibly fast, especially for content that's primarily dialogue-driven. You can quickly scan the transcript, identify filler words like and remove them with a couple of clicks. Descript even has a feature to automatically find and remove these, which can save a surprising amount of time on its own. Second, it democratizes video editing. You don't need to understand complex timeline mechanics or intricate software to make clean, professional-sounding edits. If you can edit a text document, you can edit video and audio in Descript. This opens up content creation to so many more people who might have been put off by the technical hurdles of traditional NLEs, nonlinear editors. One of my favorite features is how it handles multi-track recordings, like interviews or podcasts with multiple speakers. It identifies different speakers and color codes their text, making it super easy to see who's talking and to edit their contributions independently if needed. You can adjust levels, apply effects, and clean up audio for each speaker right from the transcript interface. And it's not just about cutting. You can easily rearrange segments by cutting and pasting text. Alright, tool number 3 is Notion AI, and this one is all about bringing artificial intelligence directly into your primary workspace. Many of us already use Notion as a sort of second brain for note-taking, project management, wikis, databases, you name it. Notion AI integrates generative AI capabilities right into that familiar environment, making it even more powerful. It's your note-taker, project manager, and planning assistant rolled into one. One of the standout features is its ability to process and transform existing content within your Notion pages. Imagine you've just finished a long meeting and have a page full of messy, unstructured notes. With Notion AI, you can highlight those notes and ask it to summarize, find action items, or even turn this into a project plan. It can extract key decisions, assign tasks, and create a clean, actionable output from chaotic input. This is incredibly useful for streamlining post-meeting workflows. Instead of manually sifting through notes to figure out next steps, Notion AI can do the heavy lifting, presenting you with a clear list of action items, complete with potential owners and deadlines if the information is present in your notes. This alone can save a significant amount of administrative time and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Beyond processing existing notes, Notion AI can also help you generate new content from scratch. Let's say you need to create a video outline. You can simply type a few keywords or a basic concept into a Notion page, then ask the AI to create a video script outline for a tutorial on advanced Excel functions. It will generate a structured outline that you can then build upon, saving you that initial blank page paralysis. I've also found it very effective for drafting various types of documents, whether it's a blog post, a job description, a sales email, or even a social media campaign plan. You can provide a prompt, and Notion AI will generate a first draft. Again, the key here is that it's a starting point. You take what the AI gives you and then refine it, add your unique insights, and ensure it aligns with your specific needs and voice. The integration within Notion's existing block-based system is seamless. You can invoke AI features on any block of text or generate new AI blocks. Tool number 4 is Reclaim AI, and this one tackles a problem that I think everyone struggles with: managing your time effectively and protecting your focus. We all know the feeling of a calendar packed with back-to-back meetings, with no actual time left to do the deep work. Reclaim AI acts like an intelligent assistant that automatically schedules your tasks, defends your focus time, and helps you find balance between your work and personal commitments. The core idea behind Reclaim is that your to-do list and your calendar should be deeply interconnected. You tell Reclaim what tasks you need to do and their deadlines, and it intelligently finds the best time in your schedule to get them done. It's not just blindly blocking out time. It considers your existing meetings, your working hours, and even your preferences for when you like to do certain types of work. One of its most powerful features is its ability to create and defend focus time. You can tell Reclaim you need, say, 2 hours of uninterrupted work on a specific project. It will find a suitable slot and mark it on your calendar. If someone tries to book a meeting over that time, Reclaim can automatically decline or suggest alternative times, acting as a buffer to protect your deep work sessions. This is huge for productivity. It also syncs with both your personal and work calendars, giving it a holistic view of your commitments. This means it won't schedule a critical work task during your kid's school play or a doctor's appointment. This integration is key to achieving a more realistic and sustainable schedule, preventing burnout by ensuring you have time for what matters outside of work too. The scheduling is dynamic. If an urgent meeting pops up and conflicts with a scheduled task, Reclaim will automatically try to reschedule that task to the next best available slot, always keeping your deadlines in mind. This adaptive scheduling means your plan isn't rigid. It adjusts to the realities of a constantly changing workday without you having to manually shuffle everything around. Another great aspect is its habits feature. You can tell Reclaim you want to make time for recurring activities like exercise, lunch, learning, or even catching up on emails. And finally, tool number 5, the one I use constantly, and that feels like a secret weapon: Canva Magic Studio. Now, many of you know Canva as a user-friendly graphic design tool, but Magic Studio takes it to a whole new level by infusing a suite of AI-powered features directly into the Canva experience. It's design, content creation, and branding all in one easy click, and it's incredibly powerful for streamlining creative workflows. One of the features I use almost daily is Magic Design for generating visuals. For example, if I need a YouTube thumbnail, I can upload a photo or just type a description of my video, and Magic Design will instantly generate a range of professional-looking thumbnail options. I can then tweak colors, fonts, and layouts, but that initial burst of creative options saves so much time and often sparks ideas I wouldn't have thought of. It's not just for thumbnails. You can use Magic Design for presentations too. Simply type in your presentation topic, like quarterly marketing results, and it will generate a complete multi-slide presentation with relevant imagery, text placeholders, and a consistent design. This is an incredible time saver for anyone who needs to create slide decks quickly, but still wants them to look polished and professional. Then there's Magic Write, Canva's AI text generator. Within any design, you can use Magic Write to help you craft headlines, body copy, social media captions, or even brainstorm ideas. For instance, if I'm designing an Instagram post, I can use Magic Write to generate a few engaging caption options based on the visual or the topic. Quick tip: use Magic Write to create captions for IG and LinkedIn too. It's great for adapting content across platforms. Magic Studio also includes impressive AI-powered photo and video editing tools. Magic Eraser lets you remove unwanted objects from photos seamlessly. Magic Edit allows you to select an area of an image and, using a text prompt, transform or add something to that area. Imagine adding a different background to a product shot or changing the color of an object with just a few words. So, there you have it. 5 AI tools that can genuinely make you unstoppable at work. We've covered ChatGPT for thinking and writing, Descript for effortless media editing, Notion AI for organizing your brain and projects, Reclaim AI for mastering your time, and Canva Magic Studio for supercharging your design and content creation. These tools aren't about replacing you. They're about giving you superpowers, augmenting your existing skills, and freeing you up to focus on what truly requires your human ingenuity. The landscape of work is definitely changing, and AI is a huge part of that. But it's not something to fear, it's something to leverage. If you're worried about AI replacing jobs, remember, people using AI will replace people who don't. It's about adapting and embracing these new capabilities to become more effective, more efficient, and ultimately more valuable in whatever you do. The key is to be curious, to experiment, and to find the tools that best fit your specific needs and workflow. I'm really curious to hear from you. Which of these AI tools would actually help you today? Or maybe you're already using an AI tool that's been a game changer for you. Drop a comment below. I reply to every single one. Like if you learned something new. Subscribe for weekly AI and productivity hacks. And if you want to see AI in action, watch this next video where I let AI plan my entire day. It was an interesting experiment to say the least. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.